Who says you need eggs to start your day with a high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast? In 2025, going egg-free is easier than ever, with high-protein, low-carb breakfasts without eggs that taste amazing. Today, we'll explore the best high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipes, perfect for anyone craving a high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast, a vegetarian high-protein, low-carb meal plan, or quick high-protein, low-carb breakfast ideas. Imagine creamy chia pudding low-carb breakfast, hearty tofu breakfast ideas low-carb, and nut butter low-carb breakfast that keep you energized without cracking a single egg. Whether you're after a vegan kutta breakfast, a vegetarian low-carb breakfast without eggs, or a full low-carb vegetarian breakfast meal plan, I've got you covered. Get ready to transform your mornings with these plant-based high-protein breakfast ideas and feel the difference. Starting your day with a high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast isn't just trendy, it's science-backed. Studies show it helps boost metabolism and keeps you full longer. Skipping eggs doesn't mean missing out. A high-protein vegetarian breakfast, no eggs can still fuel your body thanks to powerful plant proteins. Many love a high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast for weight management. Protein keeps you satisfied, while lower carbs stabilize blood sugar. Plus, a vegetarian high-protein, low-carb breakfast supports muscle recovery, ideal if you're active or hitting the gym. Going egg-free helps those with allergies or cholesterol concerns. Enjoy a low-carb, high-protein vegetarian breakfast without worry. Think beyond eggs. Tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and even protein powders make a high-protein, low-carb plant-based breakfast delicious. A vegan, high-protein, low-carb breakfast also fits beautifully into plant-based lifestyles, reducing animal products while boosting health. Not just savory. You can enjoy low-carb, high-protein, quick breakfast options like chia pudding or smoothies that taste like dessert. Choosing high-protein, low-fat vegetarian breakfast ideas helps manage calories while keeping meals nutrient-dense. Bottom line, a high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast without eggs is tasty, heart-smart, and keeps you energized all morning. First up, Greek yogurt bowls with chia and nuts. Packed with protein and low in carbs, it's a high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipe you can whip up in 2 minutes. Swap eggs for a savory tofu scramble with veggies. The perfect high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast that's hearty and full of flavor. Try cottage cheese with berries and seeds. Low in carbs, high in protein. It's a great vegetarian protein breakfast, no eggs idea. Love smoothies. Blend a low-carb protein smoothie vegetarian using vegan protein powder, almond milk, spinach, and nut butter for a creamy kick. Craving pancakes? Make almond flour pancakes, a low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipe that's both fluffy and packed with plant protein. Prep chia pudding low-carb breakfast overnight with almond milk, protein powder, and nuts. Delicious, portable, and high-protein vegan breakfast low-carb. Wrap it up with tempeh breakfast recipes. Slice tempeh, sauté with spices, and tuck into a low-carb wrap. Easy, savory protein. For crunch, spread nut butter on low-carb toast. Quick, satisfying, and loaded with healthy fats, perfect for busy mornings. Mix overnight oats with protein boost. Use protein powder, chia seeds, and unsweetened almond milk for a vegetarian low-carb, high-protein breakfast. Finally, whip up an avocado salad with hemp seeds. Rich in plant protein and healthy fats, it's a low-carb breakfast meal plan vegetarian staple. Let's dive into high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast recipes that prove mornings can be exciting without eggs or dairy. Try spicy tempeh breakfast recipes. Marinate tempeh overnight and pan-sear for savory protein you'll crave. A tofu breakfast idea low-carb. Crumble tofu. Sauté with spinach and turmeric for a golden, protein-rich scramble. Want sweet? A chia pudding low-carb breakfast layered with almond butter and berries is fully vegan and satisfying. Boost your smoothies. Add vegan protein powder for a high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast that tastes like dessert. Mix up textures with nut butter low-carb breakfast ideas. Swirl almond or peanut butter into protein oats or chia pudding. Create low-carb wraps filled with spiced tempeh, fresh veggies, and avocado. Perfect for your vegetarian low-carb, high-protein breakfast meal prep. Bake almond flour pancakes or muffins using flax eggs. A best high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast that's warm and comforting. Top your bowls with hemp, chia, and flax seeds. Small but mighty proteins that keep carbs low and nutrients high. Finally, explore vegan kutta breakfast options like coconut yogurt parfaits, tofu salads, or tempeh bowls to keep net carbs ultra low. Meal prep makes it easy to stick to a vegetarian, high-protein, low-carb meal plan, saving time and keeping breakfasts balanced. Start Sundays by prepping low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipes like chia pudding, tofu scrambles, or overnight oats. Mix sweet and savory. Balance low-carb, high-protein vegetarian breakfast ideas like tempeh wraps and almond flour muffins. Keep a shopping list of staples: tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and protein powder. Essentials for any vegetarian protein breakfast, no eggs. Batch cook tempeh or tofu ahead to toss into wraps, salads, or bowls for quick high-protein, low-carb breakfasts without eggs. Rotate textures: creamy chia pudding, crunchy nut butter toast, and hearty tofu scramble to keep your high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast fun. Make freezer-friendly options like almond flour pancakes or protein muffins for busy mornings. Prep smoothie bags. Freeze spinach, berries, and protein powder to blend in seconds. A quick high-protein, low-carb breakfast idea. Don't forget portable ideas: nut butter sachets, low-carb crackers, or mason jar salads for an egg-free, low-carb vegetarian breakfast anywhere. Finish by planning a weekly low-carb breakfast meal plan vegetarian. Write it on your fridge to stay organized. Stock your kitchen for the best low-carb, high-protein vegetarian foods, so breakfast is quick, balanced, and always satisfying. Keep best plant-based protein breakfast staples like hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax, tiny but mighty protein boosters. Fermented soy products like tempeh and tofu add protein and texture to any vegetarian, low-carb, high-protein breakfast. Don't forget vegan protein powders. Blend into smoothies, oats, or pancakes for an easy, high-protein vegan breakfast, low-carb. Stock nut butters: almond, peanut, sunflower for quick nut butter, low-carb breakfast ideas on toast or in chia pudding. Low-carb veggies like spinach, zucchini, and mushrooms bulk up scrambles or wraps in your vegetarian, high-protein, low-carb meal plan. Cheese or dairy alternatives can add extra protein. Try cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or coconut yogurt for variety. Keep low-carb baking staples. Almond flour and coconut flour help create high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipes like muffins and pancakes. For grab and go, have protein bars, low-carb crackers, and nut sachets ready, ideal for a low-carb vegetarian breakfast without eggs. Finally, keep your favorite low-carb, high-protein, quick breakfast combos written down so meal prep feels effortless. Want more protein without cracking an egg? Let's upgrade your high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast the smart way. Add a scoop of vegan protein powder to smoothies, overnight oats, or chia pudding for a high-protein vegan breakfast low-carb boost. Use protein-fortified plant milks, like soy or pea, in your coffee, oats, or baking for extra protein. Stir in nut butter, almond, or peanut to make a nut butter low-carb breakfast richer in healthy fats and protein. Sprinkle hemp, chia, and flax seeds over everything. Small additions can turn any meal into a vegetarian protein breakfast, no eggs. Bake with high-protein flours like almond or coconut flour for pancakes and muffins in your vegetarian low-carb, high-protein breakfast rotation. Blend tofu into smoothies for creamy texture and a low-carb, high-protein breakfast vegan option that surprises everyone. Add collagen peptides or vegan collagen boosters to your morning coffee for an invisible high-protein, low-carb plant-based breakfast lift. Pair low-carb veggies with tempeh or tofu for savory bowls that keep you fuller and add variety to your low-carb vegetarian breakfast meal plan. Finally, mix and match these hacks. Plant milks, powders, seeds, and flours to build endless egg-free high-protein breakfast ideas. Busy mornings? No problem. Let's pack your high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast into grab-and-go bites. Keep homemade or store-bought protein bars in your bag for a quick high-protein, low-carb breakfast idea anywhere. Nut butter sachets paired with low-carb crackers make a crunchy, satisfying nut butter low-carb breakfast on the run. Try mason jar salads layered with tempeh, greens, and seeds for a savory vegetarian high-protein low-carb meal plan option. Wrap spiced tempeh in low-carb tortillas, an easy low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipe to eat while commuting. Prep overnight oats with protein boost in small jars, perfect for a sweet, portable vegetarian protein breakfast, no eggs. Blend a low-carb protein smoothie vegetarian in the morning, then pour into a spill-proof travel cup. Bake almond flour muffins ahead to stash in your freezer. Warm up and go. Great for egg-free low-carb vegetarian breakfast days. Pack small containers of Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt, topped with seeds for creamy, quick low-carb vegetarian breakfast without eggs. Finally, mix portable sweet and savory. Pair a protein bar with veggie sticks or wrap with nuts for the ultimate best breakfast high-protein, low-carb combo. Even the best high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipes can miss the mark if you fall into these traps. Let's fix them. Mistake 1. Relying too much on processed vegan meats. Instead, choose whole foods like tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds for your high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast. Mistake 2. Forgetting fiber. A balanced low-carb vegetarian breakfast without eggs should still include fiber-rich veggies and seeds. Mistake 3. Overeating nuts and seed butters. Even in a nut butter low-carb breakfast, keep servings moderate to manage calories. Mistake 4. Skipping variety. Rotate between tofu breakfast ideas, low-carb, smoothies, chia pudding, and wraps to stay excited. Mistake 5. Skipping meal prep. A strong vegetarian, high-protein, low-carb meal plan starts with prepping on Sunday. Mistake 6. Ignoring hidden carbs in sauces or sweeteners. Stick to unsweetened almond milk or low-carb sauces. Mistake 7. Forgetting protein in sweet breakfasts. Add protein powder to oats or smoothies for a high-protein vegan breakfast low-carb option. Mistake 8. Underestimating fermented foods. Tempeh and tofu are easy ways to upgrade your plant-based high-protein breakfast. Last, think long-term. Build habits so every egg-free high-protein breakfast becomes part of your routine, not a chore. Let's spotlight the best low-carb, high-protein vegan foods that power your morning without eggs. Tempeh is a star. Fermented, protein-packed, and perfect for wraps, bowls, or salads in any high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast. Tofu works anywhere. Blend into smoothies or scramble with veggies for a savory tofu breakfast idea, low-carb. Hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds add crunch, fiber, and protein to bowls or smoothies. Small but mighty. Nut butters like almond and peanut butter turn toast or oats into a nut butter low-carb breakfast you'll crave. Plant-based protein powders make quick smoothies or overnight oats into a high-protein vegan breakfast low-carb classic. Use low-carb veggies like spinach, zucchini, and mushrooms to bulk up scrambles or wraps in your vegetarian low-carb, high-protein breakfast. Coconut yogurt or almond yogurt adds creaminess while staying dairy-free and low in carbs. Combine multiple foods, tempeh with greens and seeds, or chia pudding with protein powder to build your best breakfast high-protein, low-carb meal. Keep these foods on hand to build endless low-carb, high-protein, quick breakfast ideas. Tasty, balanced, and 100% egg-free. And there you have it. A menu of high-protein, low-carb vegetarian breakfasts without eggs that prove mornings can be delicious, creative, and healthy. Remember, a high-protein, low-carb vegan breakfast helps boost energy, supports weight goals, and keeps you satisfied. Try savory bites like tempeh wraps and tofu scrambles, perfect for a vegetarian, low-carb, high-protein breakfast routine. Don't forget sweet options too. Chia pudding, almond flour pancakes, or low-carb protein smoothie vegetarian ideas. Mix and match your low-carb vegetarian breakfast recipes to keep flavors fresh and never boring. Keep your pantry stocked with the best low-carb, high-protein vegan foods, so you're always ready to prep or grab on busy mornings. Even a simple nut butter low-carb breakfast or overnight oats with protein powder can transform your routine. Share your favorite egg-free, high-protein breakfast recipes and inspire others to explore this balanced lifestyle. Start your day feeling full, fueled, and egg-free. Try these tips tomorrow and feel the difference in your plant-based high-protein breakfast.